everyone, it's Nelda. Welcome back to my channel and thank you for clicking this video. I hope you're all doing well. I'm here to pick the winners of our giveaway, and we are picking one winner for the folio, one winner for the My Prayer Journal, and two winners of the seam bindings. But first, I'd like to apologize in advance because I did not edit this video and I was holding the camera the whole time, the iPhone, and there's camera shake. Also, the lighting is not the best and it's just not a very good recording. But it is a draw, so I did not want to do a voiceover. So I hope that you stay with me till the end of this video. Okay everyone, I am here on my other table and I have all the prices here. So these are the seam bindings. So this is the 50 yards of seam binding. This one is the 75 yards of seam binding that was not claimed. So we are going to draw two winners. And these are all the people who expressed interest in the seam binding. And then this is the folio that I handmade using the Bloom Celebration digital kit by Line Dot Arrow and Rich and Bella Crafts. And so these are the people who expressed interest in the folio. This is the My Prayer Journal, 120 Days of Prayer, Reflection, and Praise. And it was not claimed, so we are going to pick one winner. And these are the people who expressed interest in the prayer journal. So my hubby is not available to pick the winners, so I am going to do it. Okay, so first let's do the draw for the seam binding. So this is for the 75 yards of seam binding. So it was already packaged, ready to go. And let's see. Okay. It's hard when I have my other hand holding the camera. I'm using my iPhone. Okay. So good luck everyone. Here it is. The winner of the 75 yards of seam binding is, oh, Kilt's mom. Yay! I know you're interested in this one, and I know that finally this will be claimed. Okay, so that's for Kilt's mom. And this is, sorry about the glare, 50 yards of assorted colors, seam binding. And let's pick another winner. Okay, and the winner is Sunshine and Grace. Yay! Okay, congratulations, Sunshine and Grace. Okay, so hopefully these will be claimed too. All right. And we go to, I'm gonna go to My Prayer Journal because this was also from last week that was not claimed. Okay, so let us pick the winner. Prayer Journal. Sorry if my camera is not very steady. Okay, so ooh, Tammy, Life with Granny T. Wow, Tammy, congratulations. My Prayer Journal. Oh, this is actually perfect for you. Oh, I thought that's another name. Sorry. All right, it's perfect for you because friends, Tammy from Life with Granny T would always do affirmations every day. I listen to her affirmations, not all the time. I'm so sorry, Tammy. Sometimes I go back when I miss your affirmations. I go back and you know, I try to catch up. But yes, friends, so she does affirmations all the time. So this is for you. Wow. Wonderful. Okay, so now we have the folio. This is the folio. This is my handmade folio. And I love the Bloom Digital Kit by Rach and Bella Crafts and Blind That Arrow. Okay. Am I making you dizzy? I'm so sorry. I hope not. Okay. There you go. The winner of the folio is Crafty Hands. I just answered one of your comments. Oh my goodness, thank you so much. Okay, so you want the folio. Winners, please email me so I can send your winnings right away. And again, Life with Granity, Crafty Hands, and Sunshine and Grace, and Kilt's Mom. Wonderful. Okay, I am going back to my other desk. Okay, what you are seeing right now are book plates and book corner protectors. I will give away one set of book plates and one set of book corner protectors. Now they come in different colors, and the winner can choose what design and what color she would like to receive. How do you use the book plate? If you have a vintage book or any book, right, and you would like to add your own title, then you can simply add. This is a gorgeous cover, by the way, so I'm not even going to cover anything, but in case you would like to put your own title, that's what you do, is you glue down the plates, and they come with the screw, which I don't use. So this is the screw, because they're long, but when I send the plate, it will be sent with the screw. And you can use E6000 to glue this down, and it will really stay there. And then the protector will be beautiful decorations too. So there you go. And of course it will protect the corners, especially if your vintage book is not very not in a very good condition, like this one. I will use a book protector. Maybe this is a good design too. Yeah, it's nice too. Probably big. So one set of book plates, one set of book protector, meaning 4 pieces of the protectors and 1 piece of the plate plus the screw, and that will go to one person. And in order to join the contest or to be entered in the contest, you have to just watch my last video, which is the Junk Journal Supplies haul. On that video, leave a comment on how many times I said beautiful in that 10-minute video, because I said beautiful 100 times, but or maybe more, right? So just watch the very short video and count the beautifuls. Let me know in the comment how many times. Don't comment here, but comment on that video, and that you will be entered into this giveaway. I will do the drawing on Wednesday. I will do 2 drawings on Wednesday, one for the Edith Holden book and one for the plate plus the book corner protectors. Okay, everyone, that's all I have to say today. Thank you so much for watching, and thanks again for supporting my channel. And if you're not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and join my YouTube family. And do not forget to like and hit that notification bell. Also, I have a Facebook page, which is Nelda's Crafts and Inspirations. I hope that you can follow me there. I will provide the link in my description. Thank you again. Stay safe. God bless you. Bye now. Till next time.